Yeah, it depends on which leg's missing, okay? Because he has a front leg missing, I probably wouldn't do a whole lot of stuff that I come down on my remaining front leg, you know? If you want to play frisbee, you know, you're going to have to realize that if he comes up and jumps up and comes down, I mean, you could end up with a dog that's in the wheelchair.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly. Could he play frisbee and you throw it low and he just kind of runs after it? Yeah, that's perfectly possible. It doesn't matter what you do. You have to realize that just life itself could mess up one of his 3 remaining legs. The thing you have to remember with him being a front leg amputee is that he's moving this leg to the middle, okay? So he can navigate pretty well that way, but still he's putting a lot of force and that leg is out of alignment. It should be holding here, but now that it's here, we're putting a lot of torque on that shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, you know, so anything that he does at full speed, you know, I mean, he's adding the force to it and adding the torque.
And what about activity for rear leggers?
For rear leggers, again, you can do, rear leggers do the same thing. They tend to move that, oh, sorry, Bubby. They tend to move that rear leg into the middle. So they're going to end up having a lot more issues back here with propulsion. So rear leg dogs, I don't think are going to do, I probably wouldn't do jumping if they're going to land. Frisbees are hard because you don't know if they're going to land on back leg, front leg, what. So I guess frisbee, I would be low on everybody. I think, you know, they can potentially do, they can do anything they want to.
Yeah.
You know, they shouldn't be limited. But you should really just know that you've got a dog who's got a handicap. You know, he's a special needs. Don't blame him.